Hi guys, today we're going to be discussing the difference between all the headings in HTML. So, the main heading is known as H1. It is the biggest heading on the page. As you can see here, when I type hello, shows up nice and big. Next biggest heading is the H2. This is a little bit smaller, as you can see here, but it's still considered a subheading. Then an H3. It is even smaller than the H2, and when we write something, it shows up smaller. And next we have the H4, which is not commonly used, but it is a heading, but it's kind of small. That's why it's not mainly used, because no one actually mainly needs it. And then H5, which is the hello. This one is also not commonly used. And then finally the H6. This is the smallest heading there is in HTML. And this is how small it is. You'll probably never need the heading that small unless your paragraphs are very small. And let's compare all of these to a paragraph. And this is the size of our paragraph. As you can see, it is actually bigger than the size of our heading 6, heading 5. So you don't actually need to use those, as it's probably going to be bigger than your paragraphs unless you go into settings and change them. Hope you learned something new today. Bye. See you next time.